Alright, so here we come to the elevator at the Kamin Science Center in Allegheny County, Pennsylvania. It's the Otis elevator. I love this elevator. It's the Otis. Here's the elevator. Here's the motors working. Here it comes. Oh, there it is. Here's the elevator. Go 3. Looks like the indicator is working. Let's look out the window. All right, here we are, story. Here's the signs. Go up to 4. And let's watch the numbers. All right, here we are, 4. That's a kid's clubhouse. Let's go back down to 1. Here's the stairways. Let's get a cab view. This beautiful elevator at Kamin Science Center. Here's the windows. And here's the directories. And here's the motors and the buttons. I love this elevator. All right, here we are, 1. Let's send down the G. All right. There it goes. And that's it.